So something exciting has just arrived. I'm sure you can see what it is. This is the Xiaomi Mi Electric Scooter 3. I've wanted one of these for a while. I've tweeted about it. And on Black Friday, there was quite a good sale on Takealot. So I decided to finally buy one and I'm quite excited to try it out. So it is electric scooter, works with the app. It has a 30-kilometer range, 300-watt motor, dual disc brake. There's a shock absorbing inflatable tires, aluminium alloy frame, and you can go about 25 kilometers an hour. So this is going to be great for cruising around sea points, going to the waterfront, to the beach. Hopefully going to take the dog Shayna with me in a bag when I get it. And yeah, I'm looking forward to unboxing the scooter, getting it set up, and finally taking it for a ride. Okay, we are now ready to connect the scooter in the Xiaomi app. So we've already got the app installed because we have many Xiaomi products. So let's tap add a newer device. Okay, it's scanning for the device. Maybe I should switch it on first. Okay. Okay. Try again. There we go, it found the scooter. So we're going to tap. Okay, got to push the power button to complete the process. Okay, now it's connecting. Pairing. Okay, it's connected. Okay, we can complete the setup. I'm just gonna set it to bedroom, doesn't really matter. Leave the name as is. Agree. Okay, we are now connected. So we can... Okay, is there a firmware update? (45 to 50 is the tire pressure. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to watch these videos, then I'll come back. Okay, ready to continue. Okay, the scooter is now set up. So next we are going to charge it. Okay, I just want to show you the settings in the app. You can activate cruise control. There's the tail light is always on mode, low battery notification, energy recovery intensity settings. There's a password. You can change the unit. You can restore the settings. You can see the basic information of the scooter, speed and mileage, like what you've done. Riding guide, device name, manage location, share device, firmware updates, and yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so over here you got the handlebar, this is the throttle, this is your display with your power button. Here's a bell and your brake, and on the display you can see your speed and what mode you're on. So there's 3 modes. There's the walk-in mode, and then you push it again twice, and there's the drive mode, and there's the sports mode. I just want to show you again. Push twice and you can change to walk-in mode, another twice, drive mode, and another twice, and you got sports mode. And you can also see your battery, remaining battery. And if you want to turn the light on, you just press once and the light goes on. And there's also the tail light, which is very nice. When you're ready to charge, you just open this port over here, and then you plug in the power cable, and you are now charging. And while you are charging, you can see on the display the current battery level plus the levels over here. So that's really nice. Right, the scooter is fully charged, so now we can go for our first ride.